Welcome. We will be discussing about the power of your unique journey, how to stop comparing yourself to others and embrace your path to success. Life is a journey that is unique to each and every one of us. It's easy to get caught up in comparing ourselves to others. We see their successes and wonder why we're not there yet. But the truth is, we all have our own path to travel. It's okay to stumble and fall, to take a different route, to make mistakes. It's all part of the journey. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. Set your own goals, chart your own course, and keep moving forward. Remember, life is a journey, and it's up to you to make the most of it. So keep walking, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.